Hi guys, this is Reena. I'm a social media marketer from 7 Boats, and today I'm going to talk about how to beat algorithm issues of Facebook. We all know that due to recent algorithm changes on Facebook, many pages are suffering from engagement and reach issues. So that is really a tough time that everyone is going through. So like now, as you can see already, Facebook is constantly suggesting to go for paid ads for each of your social posts. So maybe sometimes you are on limited budget. So how do you beat such algorithm changes, and how do you get better engagement even though your engagement and reach is suffering? So simple, just go organic. And how do you go organic? So here are 5 tips that I'm going to share with you today by how you can engage with a lot of people and benefit from it. Number one will be join Facebook groups in your niche. When you join Facebook groups which has something that your business also has, it becomes easier for you to go beyond what your business is offering, and over there you can interact with people who will like the type of service that you are offering as a business. Okay, so this is how it can help. Number two, interact with people on these Facebook groups and give them something for free without thinking any profit. Okay, so number 3 point will be help people for free and you need not to think about profit. Number 4 will be bring people to your Facebook page. And so you may ask me, how do I bring people to my Facebook page? It's very easy. You bring people to your Facebook page simply by organizing any sort of fun activity like contest where people can participate and get gifts. And who doesn't love gift? Everyone does. Okay, so even though they are getting gifts, they are not even paying for your business in the first hand. So this gives a very good mileage to your business, because people think, okay fine, I'm not paying for anything but still I'm winning, that's a good thing. Okay, so this is how you can get a lot of people to visit your website, visit your Facebook page. Okay, and this is a very good strategy to increase your engagement like anything. Okay, because when you're going for ads, you have to shell out more than when you're organizing contests and everything. Okay, so you need to plan it up accordingly. And the last but not the least, you have to be very active, and that too daily. Even though you're posting 1 time or 2 time, make it sure that you're posting daily and interacting with your customers, with your clients, with the public, whoever that is, that like they should not feel ignored. Because if you go on and off, okay, then the sooner if like people will be forgetting about you, because this is a very fast there's a fast competition and everyone wants to beat everyone else every day, every single day. So there is a lot of competition to keep your place. So yeah, that is why you need to be active daily and increase your engagement with all the strategies. So yeah, here are a few tips that you can apply for to better your engagement on Facebook. So try it today, and yeah, that's it. Thanks a lot. Thank you for watching.